Alright, so it's kind of weird to be making an unboxing for like this small amount of stuff, but our antisocial videos usually do really well, so I figured I might as well make a video, and that's I wanted to do an unboxing of the other one, but I just didn't have time, and I wanted to get it open because I was pretty excited to check out the stuff, so I didn't make an unboxing video for that stuff, but I got this, and I wanted to make one for this one. So this dropped, I think, late March or else early April. And it actually didn't take me too long to get, probably about a month. And this is from the Neighborhood collab, and it's just a face mask. That's why it's in such a small envelope. But it's important to note that I got an email saying that it shipped, but my shipping information never updated. So I wasn't ever able to track it, which I guess makes sense since they shipped it in an envelope. Like such a small envelope. Usually they don't do tracking on this, but it did ship first class, which I think you can do tracking on, so I'm not sure. I'm just overall not very impressed with antisocial shipping, same as with a lot of people. I've heard the horror stories, but with this being a collab, it did come through a lot earlier than most other stuff, so let's get it open. Yeah, so looking at the package, I mean, this is terribly packaged. It doesn't even look like they tried to like seal the envelope, they just taped it a bunch. So they wrapped around it like once or twice with packing tape, and then they slapped the label on the front. So yeah, hopefully I don't cut into anything. I'm just gonna cut one of these ends off. Yeah, so yeah, that's the only thing in there. No like bill of sale or anything. I know the last one I think had like a return label or something like that in it. Some kind of receipt. But yeah, this is it. So this is the face mask I ordered, and I thought it was kind of cool, but I also thought there was a whole lot going on, and I kind of wish it was more subtle. Like they just put like as many words as they could fit on this mask, which I'm not a huge fan of. That's I think face masks are really cool, so that's why I ordered it, but I'm not a huge fan of the style of it. I think if they did black on black, the text would have looked cooler, especially since it's so loud already, like they have so much stuff going on. It would have been cool if they kind of made it a little bit more discreet, because I mean it is really loud with all that stuff going on. But I mean, it's pretty cool. That's, I'm gonna wear it when I drive around my 240. It's got the turbo on it, which is kind of cool. That's if you don't know where they got the inspiration for the turbo from, it's from the Porsche 911s. That's, I think most of the stuff was actually called 911 in the collaboration. But yeah, just feeling this, it actually feels like it might be a better quality than the white one I got, which is kind of weird. The material does feel different. The white one felt a little bit softer, and yeah, this one actually feels like it might be a little bit better quality. That's, I don't know if they swapped the like quality of the face masks for collabs, but it definitely does feel like the better quality. That being said though, the screen printing is kind of trash. That's, you can look at it and just see that all the letters aren't very absolute, I guess. They're kind of fuzzy, so that's kind of disappointing, but I mean, it is antisocial, so what do you expect for the quality? Yeah, so let's pop this on and see how it looks. Oh wow. Yeah, this one actually fits a lot different than the other one. So yeah, this one actually fits a lot bigger than the other one. So I'm actually gonna pull the other one out so you guys can see and we can do a little comparison. Yeah, so alright, I got the old one right here. And just looking at it, I mean, they look they look exactly the same. They look like the same width or same length and everything. But yeah, you can feel it. And it's definitely different material. This is more of kind of like a heavyweight material, whereas this one's really soft. And it feels kind of stretchy, but I mean, I put this one on, and it's pretty tight. It's tight on my face and on my cheeks and everything. But then I swapped to this one, and I mean, this one's pretty loose. And I feel like it's probably just the fabric that they use, because since it's more of a heavyweight fabric, it doesn't have as much play as the softer fabric does, so it can't pull as tight to your face, so it kind of gives it a looser feel, which I'm not mad about, because this one was actually a little tight. But yeah, overall I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Seems like our antisocial videos do well, so if you liked it, leave a like, comment what you guys picked up from the drop, or how you feel about the drop, or quality, or antisocial overall. But yeah, other than that, just check out my Instagram if you want. That's where I post everything for sale. So I have I have this face mask for sale on there, which is this one, but black and pink. So if you want that, head over to my Instagram, DM me, and we'll make it happen. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. See you guys.